So here we are at the Gary Rome Hyundai Car Show at Gary Rome Hyundai in Holyoke, Massachusetts on Saturday, September 8th, 2018. It's the Gary Rome Hyundai Car Show for all the classic cars. Let's take a tour. This looks like a Chevy Bel Air in red. That red Chevy Bel Air looks pretty nice. This looks like a Chevy Deluxe hot rod. Looks like a pretty nice Cadillac sedan. It's actually a Chrysler. Pretty nice Chrysler sedan. Good Vibration from the Beach Boys. Yeah, the song that's playing right now is Good Vibrations from the Beach Boys, which is Brian Wilson. My mom's a big fan of Brian Wilson. Let's take a look at more cars. And here's my favorite Pontiac GTO. Pontiac GTO. Like a nice Mercury Coupe. So this looks like a 1949 Mercury Coupe. That was featured one time on Home Improvement in the Home Improvement episode when Harry kept Dolores in season 5 when Alan Jackson sang on Tool Time. That was a great episode of Home Improvement. And then Tim sat in the car in that episode. Very funny episode of Home Improvement. Remember that one too? Mercury. This looks like a pretty nice Ford hot rod in dark blue. Yellow Ford hot rod. Oh, that's actually a 1938 Chevy Coupe. I think that might be a Ford. Western Massachusetts Disaster Field Kitchen, serving up the good food. So I did check out the Gary Rome Hyundai showroom earlier. Yeah, there's like a red Ford Mustang pulling in. Looks like a 1968 Ford Mustang. It's a Gary Rome Hyundai. So this is a tour around the Gary Rome Hyundai Car Show on Saturday, September 8th, 2018. I'm Max Casa. Thanks for watching. Bye.